this is on smart meters, and I can't mirror it, and I don't have the capability of anything, so I'm going to send you to RFB. If anyone doesn't know who Richie is, Richie from Boston, RFB, that's his icon. You can put it in either way, and it'll come up. This is the video. You're not going to believe it. You're really not going to believe it. It's not what you think. I mean, I know you don't believe it's anything good. Oh, man, but wait till you see how bad. So, yeah. Please, for those who don't sub him, go watch the video. Just watch it. You're not, I'm telling you, it's amazing to see what they've done and gotten away with so far. You're not going to believe this. You're really not. It's amazing. Around the world, the fires, everything this has done, making people sick, and the fires, burning their houses down. I mean, you've got to see this video. So, there it is. If you're interested, go watch it. It's on everyone's house. Everyone should have this knowledge. Everyone should be concerned about your health, about your possessions, your family's lives. Oh my gosh. Watch the video, please. It's very important. I'm not promoting anything here other than trying to say he cared enough to do this and put it together. I'm passing it on. There it is. And I watched it, and I'm dumbfounded by how bad and evil it is. When you get a load of everything that's on this video, you're just going to be left speechless. So, anyways, hope you're all having a great day, and stay strong. Blessings to everyone. And I'm still working on my computer trying to get it to do things, so can't really make any videos other than doing this for my email right now. Alright, I'll see ya. Bye-bye.